Hello boss, I've brought in those TPS reports you needed.
Ah yes, thank you, Janice. Has anyone called for me recently?
No sir, you haven't had any calls.
Oh come on. I can't believe it. None of the executives ever call me anymore. Unless I screw something up.
Why do you think that is, sir?
Well, I think it is because I don't know anything about our business process, which is a huge part of my job, you know. Oh no, I'm going to get fired.
Well, maybe I can help you, sir. I know a thing or two about business process modeling. It could help you understand our business process better.
You? But you're just my secretary. How do you know anything about the business process?
Sir, I went to college. Did you go to college?
No. But I'm street smart. I don't need any of those books.
Uh-huh, right. Well, would you like my help or not?
I suppose it couldn't hurt. Maybe you could actually teach me something.
Okay, well, essentially when an organization uses business process modeling to determine the most efficient way to go about each step-by-step process sequence for the activities that are required to convert inputs to outputs.
What?
Ugh, it's when you draw a picture showing how a business makes its goods or services and delivers them to the customer.
Oh, you should have said that in the first place. So a business does this to figure out how to best manufacture and present their product to the customer.
Exactly. A good business process model should do 4 things. First, it must expose process detail gradually and in a controlled manner. This is in order to keep from confusing the viewer of the information. Secondly, it must encourage conciseness and accuracy in describing the process model. This assures that there is accurate information in the model. Next, we must focus attention on the process model interfaces. This is the point where we decide what kind of program to use to generate the model. Lastly, the model must provide a powerful process analysis and consistent design vocabulary.
Wow, you learned all that in college.
Sure did.
Amazing. So what do these graphs look like?
A business process model typically displays diagrams with activities as boxes and uses arrows to represent data and interfaces.
Interesting.
Indeed. Business process modeling usually begins with an as-is process model which represents the current state of the operation without any improvements or changes to the existing processes. After setting up the as-is model, you move on to the next part of business process modeling is to build a to-be process model which displays how the process problem will be solved or implemented when compared to the as-is process model. This is the goal for the new business process for the organization.
But why would I use a to-be process model when I only want to understand how our business works?
You wouldn't. However, if you wanted to design a new way of running your business that is more efficient, you would use this type of analysis. This process is called business process reengineering.
Business process reengineering? Can you elaborate on that?
Of course, business process reengineering can be used to reengineer many types of business processes, from ordering burgers at a restaurant to order fulfillment of computers. Analyzing the business process models leads to success in process reengineering because the diagrams used are very powerful in visualizing activities, processes, and data flow of an organization.
Incredible. I had no idea that business process modeling could help me not only with my job, but the whole organization.
You didn't even know it existed until about 5 minutes ago.
You know, you're kind of a jerk, Janice.
Sorry. So is that everything you needed to know?
I believe so. Now I've got some work to do.